Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix WUCHANG Fallen Feathers game not launching or not opening or won't start error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So when you launch Epic Games, search for the game. After that, go below. From here, you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the specs that is required to play the game, and after that try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. If not, next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Epic Games. Under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now click on the three dot icon, then click on manage, and here you can see launch option. Enable this, and here you have to type -tx11 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to resolve the problem. If not, again come back, type -tx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps. If this also doesn't help to fix the problem, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to run game as administrator. So for that you have to go to the file explorer, go to the Epic Games. Here is the game application. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the problem, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode, or select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. But if the issue continues again and again, come back, uncheck all of this, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. So Epic Games is a go to Epic Games. Under library section, select your game, click on three dot icon, click on manage, and here you can see verify option. Simply click on verify option. Once you verify the game files, now launch the game and then check. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings. After that, here you have to add your game. If you cannot find the game over here, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add the game to the list over here. Once the game is added, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Player, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. Now this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check. If not, next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under processes tab, here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, right click on it and click on end task. Once you have done this, this will close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program installed, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. The antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of the particular program or disable the antivirus program before you launch the game and then check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on repair and wait for some time. After it is finished, close this. Now restart your PC and then try to log into the game and check. If not, next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Now click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Once done, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings, search for graphics Fix settings. Now after it opens, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add the game to the list. Now after adding the game, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall WUCHANG Fallen Feathers game. For that, go to Epic Games, under library section select your game, click on 3 dot icon, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Epic Games, reinstall WUCHANG Fallen Feathers game once again, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.